to our video on understanding Kubernetes. In this video, we will explore the world of Kubernetes and its role in modern software development. Let's dive in and discover what Kubernetes is all about. Kubernetes provides an effective solution for managing containerized applications. Learn about Kubernetes, an open-source platform that automates container deployment, scaling, and operations. Learn how it enhances application management efficiency in production. Get ready to enhance your skills in development and operations with a focus on Kubernetes. Understanding Kubernetes is the first step in cloud-native application development. Kubernetes, initially developed by Google, have become the backbone of modern software architectures, abstracting away container orchestration complexities. Kubernetes streamlines application management by facilitating easy deployment, scaling, and efficient running of containerized applications. It automates deployment, scaling, and management of applications across different environments. Kubernetes automates container management tasks and simplifies application deployment, scaling, and monitoring. Kubernetes is an open-source system for managing containerized applications. It organizes application containers for easy management and discovery. Containers are essential in the Kubernetes ecosystem. They are portable software units that encapsulate applications and dependencies, ensuring consistency. Simplified software delivery and optimized resource usage are some of the benefits of using containers. Kubernetes manages containers, allowing you to focus on building and scaling applications. Additionally, containers simplify updates, rollbacks, and application maintenance, improving workflow efficiency. Containers offer benefits when used with Kubernetes, such as simplified deployment, improved scalability, and better resource utilization. Kubernetes enables effective application lifecycle management by automating tasks like rolling updates and service discovery. Kubernetes deployments come in various types, each serving specific needs. Managed Kubernetes services provide a convenient, fully managed solution, while on-premises Kubernetes clusters offer greater control and customization. Hybrid Kubernetes solutions combine the benefits of both on-premises and cloud-based deployments. Single-node deployments are suitable for testing and development, and multi-cloud deployments enable workload distribution across multiple cloud providers. Kubernetes is a powerful tool for managing containerized applications. It automates the deployment, scaling, and management of these applications, allowing you to focus on development rather than infrastructure. With Kubernetes, you can easily manage and orchestrate containers across different environments, whether it's on-premises, in the cloud, or in a hybrid setup. This flexibility makes Kubernetes a popular choice for modern application deployment. Managed Kubernetes services offer ease and flexibility, appealing to organizations seeking streamlined application deployment and scaling. Services like GKE and Amazon EKS handle the management of workloads, allowing you to focus on your applications rather than infrastructure. When it comes to on-premises deployment of Kubernetes, you have complete cluster control. This option is ideal for organizations with compliance requirements or existing hardware. Hosting Kubernetes on your infrastructure allows for customized and optimized performance. Additionally, on-premises integration maintains data sovereignty and security, giving you the freedom to set up your own hardware, network, and monitor performance. This option is particularly beneficial for organizations with demanding workloads. Hybrid Kubernetes solutions are highly beneficial. Optimize workloads based on cost and performance with this approach. Keep sensitive data locally and use the cloud for scaling applications. You can use on-premises infrastructure for critical applications and the cloud for less sensitive ones or temporary scaling. This flexibility allows you to adapt to changing business requirements and maximize efficiency and control in your Kubernetes environment. Kubernetes complexity overwhelms many newcomers. With proper guidance, you can master this powerful system. Here are some tips to help you get started. Begin with the official Kubernetes documentation for a solid foundation. Set up a local development environment using tools like Minikube or Kind. Familiarize yourselves with Kubernetes concepts such as pods, services, and deployments. Leverage online tutorials and courses to enhance your understanding. Join Kubernetes forums and communities for support and networking. Perceiving Kubernetes as a tool for continuous learning will enhance your skills and confidence. Kubernetes is a powerful tool for managing containerized applications. It allows you to efficiently deploy, scale, and manage containers in a clustered environment. By defining resource limits and requests for pods, you can ensure optimal performance and reliability. Additionally, implementing network policies and utilizing labels and annotations can enhance security and resource management within the cluster. When it comes to cluster management, you need to choose tools and technologies that align with your operational needs. Consider your deployment scale and application requirements to make the right choices. Integrating Helm for package management can simplify the deployment and management of applications on your Kubernetes cluster. Additionally, using Prometheus and Istio can enhance observability and traffic management, ensuring scalable and reliable deployments. Kubernetes is a powerful tool for managing containerized applications. It provides scalability and high availability, but it also comes with a steep learning curve and complex setup. With Kubernetes, you can orchestrate containers and benefit from a strong community and ecosystem, but it requires DevOps expertise and has some resource overhead. It supports multiple clusters and offers flexible networking, but it lacks GUI tools and introduces security complexity. Additionally, Kubernetes provides robust monitoring tools, but it may have dependencies on cloud providers and is not always necessary. Kubernetes offers many benefits for organizations seeking to streamline deployment processes. It greatly improves operational efficiencies by automating container management, scaling applications, and ensuring high availability. With Kubernetes, you can achieve reliable services by maintaining consistent application environments. When considering Kubernetes, it's important to be aware of the challenges and limitations. The configuration and management of Kubernetes can be overwhelming for inexperienced teams. Additionally, expertise in container orchestration, networking, and security is essential, which may slow adoption for smaller organizations. Ongoing maintenance and monitoring can also add complexity, making it vital to assess if your applications truly require Kubernetes for operational efficiency. Security and compliance are essential in using Kubernetes. Ensure your applications are both efficient and secure. This includes configuring access control, network policies, and updating container images to address vulnerabilities. Compliance is vital, especially for apps dealing with sensitive data. Adhere to regulations like GDPR and HIPAA by monitoring and logging your Kubernetes setup. Kubernetes' scalability feature allows you to easily adjust your applications based on demand. It scales your application as needed for optimal performance, minimizing outages and service degradation, and enabling fast response to demand changes. Managing and deploying applications at scale is more complex in the digital landscape. The cloud migration necessitates efficient, automated solutions. Kubernetes revolutionizes cloud environment orchestration. Kubernetes, or Kubernetes, is an open-source platform that automates container orchestration. Kubernetes, developed by Google and now maintained by CNCF, is the go-to solution for companies streamlining cloud operations. Kubernetes' standout feature is auto-scaling, adjusting pods based on usage. HPA optimizes resource usage and costs for responsive applications. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on career path, roadmap about software developer, DevOps engineer, cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. We are going to publish full DevOps tutorials for beginners. Stay connected to learn more. Thanks for watching.